how to change time display on iPhone. So if you want to change the display of this timing on the lock screen, tap and hold on the lock screen for some time, select customize, tap on the timing here, and then you can change the font style from here. You have the option to either make it more bold or less bold. Also you can change the color of the clock from here. You can make the timing solid or you can make it like glass. Whichever option you want, you can choose it from here. After that, select done. The next thing that you can do is you can change the time format. Go to settings here, general, go to this option date and time, and here you have the option to either use 24-hour format or 12-hour format, whichever you want. The other thing that you can do is you can change this clock widget which is here on the screen. For that one, tap and hold on the clock for few seconds. After that, tap on this second icon here. So this will change it into digital one. Also, what you can do is you can change the style of this widget. Again, tap and hold on the screen for few seconds. Go to edit, go to add widget, and from here select clock. Open it, and from here you can choose different design for the clock widget from here. Whichever you want, select add widget, and you will see the display here. After that, you can remove this clock if you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.